person's image just to promote your own, whereas say the thing you are saying or more they not be facts. I think is not commendable, and I think Governor Soludo would have done better. For him saying that Peter Obi's investment in Anambra State is next to nothing, I think that statement was rather not okay, and I expected more for him. And also he also went forward by saying something. He said that Peter Obi is not going to win the election. Peter Obi is just helping Tinubu to win. You understand? So at the end of the day, I just feel say his limit or bound is supposed to. I think APGA have their own presidential candidate. Then Soludo should be busy trying to promote his candidate instead of attacking Peter Obi directly. What's up, my people? Welcome back to The Voice TV. It's your boy, Hi Chief Pera. Normally, you know what it be when it comes to entertainment. We got you guys covered. So guys, Peter Obi finally replied Governor Soludo today. He was actually invited to give a speech somewhere, and he was actually talking, and he said something regarding what Soludo said, and he actually gave his own he actually said his peace of mind though. So I will allow you to watch the video of Peter Obi, what he said about Governor Soludo and the way forward. Watch the video, and a big shout out to you guys. Peace.
When you spread your investment, some will go up, some will come down, but overall the company is still there. The company is still doing well. It's still part of a global chain and everything. I needed to explain it, not because I'm defending comment by my brother. My brother is the brother. I remain my brother. We're very close. I remain prayerful for him. For other things which I didn't succeed, God has given him opportunity to do it and succeed. For me, yes. So if there's anything pending, governance, you don't finish. People are still in government in America. So you stop where you stop. Other people will continue from there. I don't look back. He's the governor of my state. I'll always, he's my senior brother. He's even more intelligent because he's a professor. I'm a trader. So he knows more. So he will be able to do things better than I'm doing it. You know, I've done my little own as a trader. Now the professor is there. He will do his own as a professor. The schools that didn't roof, he will roof them. That's how government goes. Another person comes, do his own. But let us think about, finally, like I tell you people, for those of you who are, just please get involved. All of us.
No, so the matter just be you have heard from Okuti. Like he said, you talk, say I don't do well, right? You said this and that. I think you are there now as a professor. I think what if you say I did not roof schools? You are the governor of the state, or you are roof farm. You say I did not do this. You are the governor, right? You have the opportunity to do it now. I think in 8 years' time, probably we'll know what Soludo do for Anambra State, or what he's going to be doing, or what he has done in the state. So I think that's the best answer to give him in any ways. So you say the investment is worth to nothing, Abi. So you invest your own. Maybe in 8 years' time, we'll see how your own investment will turn out to be. Probably is the next governor of the state will actually tell us how the thing actually play out. But like I said earlier, I think no matter how we are trying to play politics, supporting our candidates individually, I think we should actually try to be civil and as much as possible try to state facts, not the top because of say you don't like a person or you don't want the candidate to win. Just coming out and saying something that is not actually verifiable. I think we should desist from something like that. I think our politicians should do better. So now, so the matter just be, and let me know what you think about what Peter Obi said. To me, I feel say like Peter Obi said, is a gentle person. Imagine after all the other things Soludo said, Peter Obi was still calling him his elder brother, blah blah blah. But at the end of the day, it is what it is, and that's kind of a president we need. Somebody will be saying the fit tolerate both insults where they look everybody as equal. So let me know what you think about the video and what Peter Obi said. A big shout out to you guys. Peace.